Alright, welcome to today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to use Canva for mockup. Just go to your Google Chrome and type canva.com. Once your network is stable, everything will be going smoothly. Once you type canva.com, wait for the interface to fully load, like everything to fully load properly. Then click this plus icon here. This plus icon, click it. Once you click the plus icon, it will bring out these options for you. These options. Then click custom size. Custom size is the particular mockup you wish to select. You should set the size of where you place the mockup. Is it based on rectangle, something that is related to rectangle, like a banner, business card? It might be square. The kind of mockup you will select. So use your head and know that kind of mockup, and then impute the size, or better still, go and check the mockup and then take the measurement. For this one, we are using 1080 by 1080. We click create new. Once you click create new, it will load. Wait for it to load. Once it's done loading, it will bring out all the interfaces for here. Wait for it to bring out everything before you click anything. So once it's done loading, it will bring out all these places. So the next thing you do is just scroll down, like this part, pull it down. This part that came up, pull it down. Once you pull it down, move this way and you see mockups. Click on mockups. Once you click on mockups, you see a lot of mockups: popular videos, smartphones, print, apparel, computers, frames, home and living, depending on the kind of mockup you wish to use. So you go to that one. You have outdoors like banners and the rest of that. So you can go to print for something like, if you want to mock up something like Jota, and then look up for the Jota you need, the one that has the style you need. So scroll. So once we see the one we wish to use for this design, we use it. So okay, let's use this one. So you select it. You will see the one I selected. I selected this one. Now. That's the one I selected. This one. That is the one I selected. So once you click on it, you just be patient. Once you click on it, you just have to be patient. Click on it, you just wait. Just wait for it, and it will load. You see it comes out in that size you set. You now, from this knot, you stretch it to fit into this white space. You stretch, you see, you stretch, bring it to the center, you stretch, okay, stretch, make sure it feels it all. That is it. So just stretch. So once it's properly fitted, then pull down this that came out here, then click any part of the screen for the selection to go off. Once the selection goes off, then scroll this way. You see uploads. Click on uploads. Once you click on upload, so click on upload files, click on device, click on your device folder, then select the image you wish to mock up. Let's select this image. Let's use any image in our gallery. Let's use this one. Let's make use of this. So once you select it, you wait for it to be uploaded to Canva. So do you see it now? It has uploaded to Canva. Then you wait for this thing. You see a pinkish colorful stuff loading. So you wait for it. You see it loading. So once it's done loading, that's when you now click on it. So wait for it to load. Once it's done loading, you see, you now click on it. Once you click on it, Canva will bring it to you here. Like, it will bring it to you on the surface of that Jota. First of all, decrease the size in order to see through the Jota where you want to place it. then increase it, then bring it and move it. Once you move it around, do you see now, you see that Canva came and made it transparent to see where you want to place it. Then place it properly the way you want it to be, then and leave it. Just once you move that image, it will show transparency that is now allowed to mock up. Then leave it, it will load. Once it's done loading, you will see the mockup. Do you see the mockup? Do you see? If you wish to adjust it, maybe it didn't suit well, you can click on in front of the image. When you click in front of it, you see this place they wrote edit down here. Look at it, you see edit. Click on edit. Once you click on edit, it will bring out options here for you. Wait for it to load. When the network is disturbing, it will be doing this way. So once it brings out this option, you see now you can adjust it with these nodes. You can adjust it to fit in properly depending on your choice. You see, you can adjust it. So that is it. So you can use fill to fit in properly, or you can use fit. Just know that if you use fit, it will not fit in properly because some parts might not enter. Do you see this part here now did not fill up? So but if you use fill, it will cover the whole place. Do you see? So that is it. You now click done. Once you click done, the next thing you do is click here says upload, like you want to download it. So click here. Once you click here, it will bring out download option. Click on download. You will see what it bring out, all these download options here. You now change this to JPEG. Once you change it to JPEG, if you want to save as PNG, you can save as PNG, but we are saving as JPEG. Then you now click download. It will download. You see, it will load your mockup. Very nice, very beautiful. It will load your mockup. Wow, just see, very beautiful. It presents your work very well to your client. Once you are done, it has downloaded. You click, it has downloaded. You click download. It has downloaded already. So that is it. You now go to your gallery. You see that which you just downloaded. Let's go to your gallery. You see downloaded. See another mockup I did there. So you see, Canva is a very powerful tool for mockup. So that is it, and very easy. If you have any question, drop it down in the comment section. See you in my next tutorial, and don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel to always get premium graphic design tutorials. Thanks for watching.